Welcome to the GTCC library. This brief tutorial will discuss how to use the Business Source Complete database. To begin, we will start at GTCC's homepage, which is gtcc.edu. We'll go under Community and click on Library. Once we do that, we've come to the library homepage, which is library.gtcc.edu. Next, we're going to go search a database. Databases house thousands of articles, including peer-reviewed journal articles, about various topics. When you're searching a database, it's like searching the largest warehouse you could possibly imagine. And in that warehouse, all you see are stacks of paper, your articles. And they cover from floor to ceiling and wall to wall, just thousands and thousands of stacks of paper. So you have to go search for the best article that best fits the topic that you're information that you're looking for. So keep that in mind when we're searching databases. They're huge. Also, trying to find the best database is kind of like shopping in a mall. In a mall, you have general stores and you have specialized stores that specialize in a certain product. Same thing with databases. Some databases are very general and some are very specialized and only search a specific topic. And that's the case with Business Source Complete. So to begin, we're going to put our cursor over Find Resources and click on Databases by Subject. And then we're going to go to the Business subject and click on Business Source Complete. Now we need to search our database for information for our articles. To do that, we need to talk to the database like in words and phrases that it understands. Unfortunately, the database doesn't really understand phrase searching, and phrase searching is usually what we do when we search Google. Instead, it likes something that we call keywords. Keywords are words that describe our topic. So, for example, let's say I'm sitting down and I'm going to do a paper on how the housing market affects the economy. So in Google, I might do something like how the housing market affects the economy. So this would be a good Google search. Unfortunately, the database isn't going to understand very well what we're trying to look for. Now, it might give me some results, but it's probably not going to give me the best results because it's looking for a lot of words all at one time. Instead, it uses a search strategy that we call keywords. Keywords are words that define our topic and are very specific. So I'm going to choose the keywords, the specific words I can ask the database to go look for. So I'm going to take out how the and use housing, and I'm just going to use the word economy. These are keywords. These two words will probably be somewhere in an article about this topic. So again, I'm just trying to find the words that an author is using in their article that relate to my topic. Now, I have two keywords, housing, economy, and the database wants to know how I want these two words to be searched. And to do that, I've got to do another search strategy called the Boolean search strategy. Boolean is connecting two or more keywords and telling the database how to search those keywords. And we have choices. We only have three, and, or, not. In this case, and is going to be the choice that will best fit my search because it's asking the database to search for both the words housing and the word economy. Both keywords must be present in order for me to see a result, is what I'm directing the database to do. So now I've got my search, but before I click the search button, I'm going to select full text and scholarly peer-reviewed journals. This tells the database to only give me results that have the full text of the article linked to the result and every result must come from a scholarly peer-reviewed journal. Scholarly peer-reviewed journals, of course, are the best source of information along with a book. I've set up my search, so now I'm going to perform the search by clicking on the search button. And I found 1,680 results. So there's a lot of results there. And I can narrow further. Here on the left-hand side, I can narrow by publication date. I can narrow also based on different subtopics or groupings. But I'm just going to look at my results list and try to decide which article is going to best fit my needs. So I do that first by looking at the title. For example, why the housing sector leads the whole economy. Okay, this might be an article that would be of interest, but I want to know just a little bit more about the article before I decide to use it. So I'm going to put my cursor over the magnifying glass and scroll down, and a little abstract or summary comes up about the article. If I think this article is useful, I'm going to click on Add to Folder. This will save all the articles that I like in one place, so I can continue to go down and look at all of my results. And remember to look beyond the first page. Number 10, number 15, even number 20, or number 40 might be good articles for you. How will you know unless you go look at them? So this isn't like Google where you just choose the first 5 or the first page. Once I have built a folder of articles that I like, I can go to Folder View and see the list of articles that I specifically want to use. Now, please keep in mind that if you X out of this database, the folder goes away. So make sure you have your articles before you X out of the database. I can get my articles either printed, emailed, or saved on a flash drive or on a computer. To do that, I select the articles again and select print, email, or save as file. For this case, I'm going to select email and complete the email form, putting my email address in there. If you're working with the group, you can put their email addresses in, give it a subject and comments. Finally, if you click on citation format and choose MLA or APA, you will get a citation for every article in your folder in the email as well. But be careful, some of these citations aren't perfect. You need to double check them before using them in your references or works cited page. Then I'm going to click send to send the email. This was a very brief discussion on how to use the Business Source Complete database. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the library. You can contact us several different ways, and our contact information is located on our homepage. Thank you.